Hi friends, many people had this question in the previous video that where did I buy the DIY kit? Actually, unfortunately, these are the online shops in Shenzhen, China, where I did purchase these. This is the latest kit in my hand, which is also I have purchased from the same market, which is offline totally. No Alibaba shops, nothing. You can see these are the latest ps5 controller kits. It can support BDM030 and 040. You can see the written text, and it will only work for now. I have 030 PCB, so I will tell you in details that what we can do and what this package includes. I'll tell you one by one. This is the main PCB, and there is a flex cable, golden and brown. This is the white block to I will use it and I'll show you. This is the jack connector and tape. I'll show you how to use it. These are the wires and some screws. These are the resistors, 102 ohms resistance, which we have used previously also. We can place these resistance here vertically. I can show you in the zoom. CL2 and R2. You can see the tracks going in that silver point, and this is the pin connector which will go into the holes. We will show you. I will show you how to connect all these and make a nice arcade stick from this DIY kit. So let's move to the second part. This is the PCB we have. You already know the Sony DualSense PCB have many versions: 020, 030, 040 and 050 also. So this is the 030 PCB and side A, side B. It's written on the board side B. This is side A, and this we are seeing is side B. Okay, so follow me for a clear cut work. We need 2K metal resistors. We need to join them in Y shape. Y shape means join two resistors together with a tail, with a long tail. The tail will be removed later on, but it is simple in this way. Make a V shape and Y long tail, Y shape. Put these resistors in 4 places like I'm showing you here, and cut the tails. Cut the tails properly. Solder it like this. Please see, the video is clear. The picture is clear. You can see how I have joined 4 places. Okay, you have to make solder in the middle point and then left corner and right corner. Let's take a wire, black color wire I have. This is the ground, GND. So I'll join first this black wire. It's a ground black wire. Length we will cut later, no matter how much is the length. Another on the same side, yellow color. Solder it properly. Another wire is needed, orange color. We need to solder it beside the black wire. This is yellow, L3. This is orange, R3, and black is ground. Yellow, orange and black. The 4th wire is needed from the silver jack. The silver steps are there like a ladder. This is the connector. Here we need a silver, yeah, green wire. Zoom in, see how I have connected. It's a touch button in the dual sense. I mean, it's of if you are using, if you are playing the games, Street Fighter fighting games, then there is no need of the touch button, so you can skip the green wire also. I have used some tape so the wires not move. Stick it together for placing it properly. This is the main white PCB we have. This is the white connector jack is included in the package. We need to solder it, so we can fast forward the video here to make it easy. I have soldered it. You can also get the pre-soldered kits. I mean, I have the kit which has the pre-soldered connector. You don't have to do it yourself. These are the 102 ohms resistance which I have soldered, and another is white jack. Both are properly soldered. And you can also get the pre-soldered kit which already have these connector and 102 ohms resistors already connected to it. Now we will join the black connections, black pins. So wait for me to join it and solder it. So this is the side A, and we need to remove these yellow films. It's a ESD safe protection Sony uses. We need to remove it gently. We will be having points under these test points. So it has right side, middle and left side. Same here, middle, left and right. These are the share and option buttons. So just 2 wires more needed. We are using liquid soldering paste, so it will be easy to attach wires. Let me solder it my way. I don't have many colors of the wires, so I'm using yellow again. You need to solder it on the right side of the test point. This is the point to remember. Yellow wire should be on the right side of the test point, and when we will join black, we will do it in the middle of the test point. Let me show you. Let me do it first, the yellow one, and now this black color. Black color wire should be in the middle of the test point. We just remove the yellow film. I show you and also mark the video with the zooming so you can get it clearly. See this, exactly in the middle and on the right side yellow. Sort the wires properly so it will look more pleasing, more clean, and you can use the tape just to stick them properly. Now we have to use this flex cable, brown and golden cable. We need to align it with the holes on the PCB. The flex cable have the holes and the PCB also have the holes. Look, I am using this black duct tape, ESD safe tape, any tape you can use. Look at these holes first on the PCB, green PCB. These holes, these 3 holes, I am zooming it. Align these holes with the flex cable. So you just have to align the holes and press the flex cable a little, gently press it, and put this white glass I show you, wait, I show you. I don't have nails. Put this yellow flex cable on the pad of the PCB, align it with the holes, just gently press it, press a little bit so it will not move, and use the use any ESD safe duct tape so the flexible will not move. Like for the wires we have used same way, use the black duct tape on the flex cable also, so it will not move. First, alignment is important. You need to align every track and put this. I'm putting this black duct tape so the flex cable will not move. That's it. Now we can place this white plastic block on upper part, and we can use the screws which are included in the package. We can use the seals which are also included in the package. These are the female screws. We need it. Once you get the DIY kit in your hand, you will understand automatically that how to use these screws, and I am also showing you in a video. It will make it easy for you. These are the female screws. We need to use one by one. Simple as shown in the video. Now we can put this white plastic block to make more stable. It will help you. We can remove the black tape from the back side because we need to tighten the screw on the back side. So we need to tear apart a little black duct tape or whatever tape you will be using. You can tear it so you can put the screw. This screw will help you to stabilize that the golden flex cable. So quickly make use of screws and tighten it. So we are moving to the final steps. We need to carefully pass through these wires from the holes. These are the wires option and share. The other wires we need. This green wire is a touch wire. So everything is written on the PCB, the white PCB. It's written which hole is for which wire. It's written L1 R1, L3 R3. All the things are written on the white PCB. So carefully pass through the wires from it. We'll do it one by one carefully so it will not damage anything. And keep in mind one thing, that the wire should be sorted out. The more sorted out the wires, the less chances of damage are there. You don't want to do the same thing every week. So sort the wires properly and it will look like this. We'll stick together both the PCBs. Use the screws to join both PCBs. It will be really easy. We just need to join the screws Look at this female screw, how it helps both sides. It also stabilize the white block, and it also help us to join the both PCBs together. Same way here, we another thing I noticed is I have forget the golden and brown wire to join inside, so we have to open it again, I think. Let me first sort out the wires. First we will solder the wires. Uh, be very careful with the wires, because sort them out, cut the length, exactly same for each wire. I mean, cut it together. So I'm using a cutter. One wire is remaining, I guess, the green one, the green wire, which is a touch button on the DualSense controller. Let me sort it out. Now all the wires are here on the white PCB side, so we can cut it on the same length carefully. Clean the wires. It's better to clean the wires. What I am doing is I am using heater and a knife, a cutter, so it can remove the upper part of the wires, and by using nails you can remove the upper part and solder it easily. Use the solder paste first, like this. Clean them properly. This is the soldering paste. It's easy to solder. Now my iron is ready for work. Let's solder it. These are the 5 wires. Solder it very clean. It will look like this. Just do it with a gentle hand. Okay, so it's ready now, and we have forgotten that green wire. Oh, that golden brown wire, which is a bit of a pain. This look like this. This should look like this. This green, this yellow brown wire should be attached inside that that connector we have soldered a while ago. So remove these 2 screws. Use it carefully. Just open the black corner points, put the golden part inside, and now again press those corners. Push those corners inside. Push those corners, yes, gently. Now it's inside. That's it. Now put the screws back. We just need to join the battery. There are people who want that battery should be inside between these 2 PCBs. There is a bit of space between these PCBs, green and white. You can put the battery inside it, but there are more chances of damage. So better I recommend you to better keep the battery outside. So we are ready to put the battery. There is a wire, extended wire for a battery. It can extend the length of the battery which comes with the dual sense controller. You can connect this is included with the DIY kit. So we are ready, just have to put the battery to test it. So join the battery here and short this PS point. These are some points with ground, so we need to just click the PS. Now it's powering up, ready to pair with the computer or testing equipment. I am using my computer and the website hardwaretester.com. We can pair it with the computer with two buttons. Open the website hardware tester and we can test the buttons one by one. We are ready with our kit. We can put it in any arcade stick and connect the wires according to our need. We can test with the 2-pin shorting. You can use any tweezer or any equipment to test, like I'm doing. Short the 2 pins and it will show you in the computer that which button is pressed. So I think I have done my work. English is not my native language, so maybe some pronunciations are wrong, and sorry for this delay in English video. If you want to ask anything, you can email me, you can leave me a message on Discord. I will answer you for sure. Good luck. Bye bye. Take care.